这一次我来给大家配音。
Looks familiar? Once again, we are back at Bagwatian to harvest some golden rice crops and the cute baby sparrows. Osmanthus flowers were in bloom and it smelled wonderful. We made our way to the paddy field, ready for our harvest with Wu Bai Bai. He taught us how to handle the tools safely and how to harvest the crops the right way. Look at all our harvest.
Yippee!
A short water break, shaking all the paddy seeds out before putting them in the machine. We made a new friend. Any guesses on who he is? Mr. Scarecrow. It's time to put the paddy seeds in the machine to get our rice. We took turns at the machine and look, it's rice for our lunch. Haha. Of course we need to have some playtime, tug of war at the paddy field. What a phenomenal experience. Farming is a difficult job, and we are thankful of all the hard-working farmers out there. See you next time.